Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In today's video, let's learn and practice some Tai Chi basics. Let's learn and practice some Tai Chi basics. First, let's start with basic Tai Chi posture. In basic Tai Chi posture, we start with our feet about shoulder width and our toes facing forward. Your knees are slightly bent, your shoulders are relaxed, and your center is just slightly tucked in, so your back is straight. Each vertebrae is stacked on top of one another, and your head is on that last vertebrae, held up as if by a string. So I relax into my basic Tai Chi posture. Next, let's learn some Tai Chi walking and some Tai Chi moves. In Tai Chi Chuan, all your power and all your energy starts from your center. It connects with the ground through your stances and appears in your fingertips. So we're going to learn some stances and connect with the ground, and then we'll learn some moves with our hands. So first, we'll do some Tai Chi stances, Tai Chi walking. We begin with our weight on our right leg. We step out with our left heel into our forward stance. This is our forward stance, our bow and arrow stance. We have 70% of our weight on our front, 30% of our weight on our back toe is facing out, and our front toe is facing forward. I shift my weight back, my left toe comes out, and my back foot comes up. I step out with my right heel, and I shift my weight into my forward stance. 70% of my weight's on my front, and 30% of my weight's on my back. One more time, shift the weight, toe pivots out, step out with your left heel, and shift the weight forward into my forward stance. Now let's practice just with the hands. We'll start with our brush knee twist step motion. Begin by bringing your right hand up, your right palm is up, and your left palm is down. My right palm comes to my ear first slowly. Then I'm going to brush out with my left hand as my right hand presses forward. Now transition to the other side. My left palm faces up and my right palm faces down. Left palm comes to the ear slowly. Right palm brushes and left palm presses out. Again on the other side. Right palm up, left palm down. Right palm to ear, brush with the left, press with the right. And one more. Left palm up, right palm down, left palm to ear, brush with the right, press with the left. Now let's put the hands and the feet together. Begin with your weight on your right leg. Right palm up, left palm down. Step out with your left heel. As you shift your weight forward, your right palm comes to your ear as your left palm brushes and your right palm presses out. This move is called brush knee twist step. Shift your weight slightly back, left toe comes out, right leg comes up, left palm up and right palm down. Step out with your right heel. Right hand brushes and left palm presses out. And one more on the other side. Shift your weight. Right palm up, left palm down. Step out with your left. Right palm presses out as your left palm brushes. Let's learn another move. Grasp sparrow's tail. Begin by holding the ball. Right hand under and left hand over. Start by bringing your right arm up. Then, both arms come to my side as I roll back. My left palm comes behind my right palm as I press out. Both palms face down as I roll back again, and from my center, I push out in front of me. Now let's go to the other side. Left palm under, right palm over, and hold the ball. Come out with your left arm. Hands come to the side and roll back. Right palm behind the left and press out. Both palms face down, roll back again, and from your center, push out. Now let's put the feet into it. Begin with your weight on your left foot, right palm under and left palm over. Step out with your right heel and your right arm comes up into grasp sparrow's tail. Hands go to the side. Now shift your weight back. Left palm comes behind the right as you press out and shift your weight forward. Palms face down. Again, as you shift your weight back, hands go to the center. And as you shift your weight forward from your center, press out. Now to the other side. Weights on the right leg, left palm under, right palm over. Step out with your left heel. Left arm comes up. Hands to the side as you roll back and shift your weight back. Right palm in front of your left. As you shift your weight forward, press out. Palms facing down. Roll back as you shift your weight back. And from your center, press out. Let's practice those moves one more time. Brush knee twist step. Step and press out. On the other side, step and press out. Grass sparrow's tail. Step. Arm comes out. Roll back. Press. Roll back. And push. On the other side, arm comes out. Roll back. Press. Roll back again. And push. Those were some Tai Chi basics for you to practice and learn. Tai Chi is a difficult art. Long-term consistent practice is the key to learning Tai Chi. Watch more of my videos to learn more Tai Chi moves and give me a subscribe. Stay healthy, stay strong.